In this video, we will show you how to insert emoji in Microsoft Outlook. To insert emoji in the Outlook, just open the Outlook first. After you open the Outlook, let's create new emails. Okay, just click this to create new email. And when you're typing in here, for example, you can just press on your keyboard. Okay, press the Windows button. Okay, Windows button plus dot like this. Okay, this is to create or to insert the emoji. I will show you here. When you press Windows button plus dot, you can see we have the emoji look like this. Okay, so you can select an emoji like you want. And this is tutorial how you can insert emoji in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.